Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to do an IKEA haul. We just got home from IKEA and we had such a fun time. Kaden and I haven't been in probably 3 years since before the beginning of the pandemic. And so we stopped by today because we went out. We had lunch with my mom, and IKEA is on the way home. So Kaden wanted to stop in, and of course I found a bunch of stuff. Now I like to watch IKEA hauls all the time, so I just thought it would be fun for me to kind of do what I got from IKEA. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see I have the ginormous big IKEA bag here, and we bought quite a bit of stuff. The first thing we got were these white containers that have lids, and I love containers, I love bins, I love organizers. So they had these, and I want to say they were like $3. This one is called Kugis or Kugis. I'm not sure, but anyways, I got 2 of these just to store obviously some planner supplies, but I might use it in my bathroom, which is what I'm thinking I'm going to do with these. They're very nice, very sturdy, and I love the sleek, modern design of these. So I got 2 of those. Next up, I got these. These are Gliss, G-L-I-S, and they come in a 3-pack. And these are like little, what they remind me of are baby wipe containers. They have the flip top lid, and they actually look a lot like baby wipe containers. So I bought one of these too. They had these in the clear, and then they also had them in the multicolor, because these, it's funny because they're in the children's section, and like I said, they look like baby wipe containers. So I bought one of those. Now the other thing I got were more bins. These were, they're kind of stuck together, but these were in the, I think these were in the kitchen section, and these don't have lids, but you can see they have the little handles on the side, and then they go in lower, kind of right here. Now again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, because I'm doing like a bathroom organization overhaul. So I'm either going to use these in my bathroom. If they don't work there, I will use them probably to organize and sort, you know, planner stuff. Or my other thing was, I was thinking of using these to organize like my vitamins and stuff, because I do take a lot of vitamins and a lot of herbs, and they're kind of all over the place. So anyways, I got 2 of these, and I got them in the white. And then I also got 2 with the black interior, and it's the same exact design, just it's black on the inside. So again, very good quality, sturdy, and I love the modern, sleek design. So next up, I needed a cutting board, so I bought a new one of those. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's just a cutting board. The one I have is getting kind of yucky and gross, so I decided to pick another one up. I wasn't planning to go in there for this, but you know, when you see them on the end caps, you say, oh, I need that. Next up I got were these trays. Now, we use a lot of trays in our family. Whenever my son used to stay with my mom, she would always give him his food on a tray. So he's used to eating on trays. So what we would do is put his bowl of food, snacks, napkin, spoon, whatever, on a tray, and he would carry it to wherever he was going to eat. So I got this gray one. It's kind of small, and the name of this is Teal Gang, just because I like to organize stuff on trays. I have some shelving in a room, and I was thinking of putting stuff on here, and then this is easier to pull out. This is plastic. I know it looks like a metal cookie sheet, but it's actually just a gray heavy-duty plastic. So I got one of these. And then they had this tray, which is a clear plastic, and it's a lot bigger than this one. So again, we use a lot of trays in our family. We do use them for like snack night, for organizing stuff. We just use them for whatever. So I thought they were a good price. I want to say this was like $2.99 or something like that. So, or maybe this one was like $2.99 and this one was like $3 something, but they both were under $4. And so I said, you know, for the price, they can't be beat. Next up, I got a new glass water bottle. I'm trying to get better with hydration. So this is it's called Full Prop Pad, and it's a glass water bottle, and it has the silicone thing on the outside, and I just really like the color. It's probably not showing up on camera, but it's like a teal with kind of a grayish hue to it. I really, really like it. So I picked up one of these. It's a 20-ounce water bottle. What else? Oh, almost done here. Now, you all know I love candles, and I saw this Mama Jamma at in the home, was it? I don't remember what section. But anyway, it's called Phenomen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is just an extra large pillar candle. And I love pillar candles. I love jar candles. I love all candles. So I got one in the extra large, and then I got another one a little bit smaller. But this is usually the biggest size jar candle that I see like at Walmart and stuff. So when I saw this big ginormous one, I had to get this one. So I got one each of these, and I didn't see them in any other colors. I think they're unscented, and they're just white. I don't know. Well, now it kind of looks like an off-white. But anyway, so yeah, I got two of these giant candles. And finally, this is a tablet stand. Vivala, I think is how that is pronounced. And you can see it's a bamboo stand with a little groove here to put your iPad, or actually it could be anything. I mean, they say it's a tablet stand, but obviously you could use it for whatever you wanted to. You could put a book here, you know, put it in your kitchen if you're propping up a cookbook for recipes. Obviously, like I said, you can put your iPad on it. Oh no, I think I got one that's broken, but that's okay. And I just really liked how it was bamboo, and I hope this is gonna focus. But this was, I want to say $9.99 or something like that. I don't know, but it wasn't that expensive, and I had to have it because I thought it was just such a sleek design. And like I said, I will definitely use this for whatever. And that is it for my IKEA haul. And then of course I had to buy the bag for 99 cents because I did not have any bag. I don't know if all IKEAs are like that, but they didn't have shopping bags. They didn't have, you know, the plastic bags at the register. So I had to buy one of these for 99 cents. But that is it. So that is my IKEA haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have you been to IKEA lately? It seemed like they had a lot of stuff in stock. I know some people were saying that it looked like IKEAs in different areas. They look like, you know, they were very empty. And yes, there were a lot of things that were empty, but there was also a lot of stuff available, at least at the one here in Las Vegas. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you're finding at your local IKEA. Like I said, I love watching IKEA hauls. All right, everyone, thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.